Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the ticket bot. So I am running the bot now
Starting the bot.
and organizing the things. Now at first I need to paste here the event link. So I have pasted here. Now I need to put here how many tickets to buy and then the category, and then I need to just press enter to run the bot, and I'm just login now. So after the login is completed, just come back to the bot and press enter. So now the bot will just do its thing. It is just visiting the ticket, adding the numbers of the ticket. We selected 3, so it selected 3, and now just it has added the ticket to the cart. Now you need to complete the checkout by your own. So this is how the bot works. If you have any question, you are feel free to ask me in the comment or in the messages. Thank you.